my dear students, welcome to my channel. This afternoon, I would like to share to you how to write a hypothesis in your research proposal. I hope you are doing good as you encounter or watch this video. Okay? Please watch. How to write a hypothesis. A hypothesis is an educational guess, a tentative answer to a problem, a proposed explanation for a phenomenon. There are two forms of hypothesis, the null and the alternative hypothesis. The null hypothesis is a statement of equality, no difference, and it is stated in negative form. I have here examples of statement of the problems or specific questions where hypotheses were formulated. A specific problem number 1 is the mean score of the students in the achievement test in mathematics 1 equals to 45. Then I have here three null, null hypotheses. Number 1, then the mean score of the students in the achievement test in mathematics 1 is equals to 45. Number 2, the mean score of the students in the achievement test in mathematics 1 is less than or equal to 45. Then third, the mean score of the students in the achievement test in mathematics 1 is greater than or equal to 45. Please take note that there is equality or mentioned in each statement. So this is an indication that these are null hypotheses. Now, in writing your null hypothesis or even in alternative hypothesis, you just simply rearrange or delete some of the words or articles from the statement of the problem. Then you can already formulate your null hypothesis. Example number 1. The mean score of the students in the achievement test in mathematics 1 is equals to 45. Look at the SOP number 1. In SOP number 1, when it comes to the writing of the null hypothesis was transferred to in between mathematics 1 and equals to 45. So it is here now. Then you capitalize letter T, then it is read now as the mean score of the students in the achievement test in mathematics 1 is equals to 45. The second example, the same, but there is an addition of less than or equal less than or. And the third example, there is an addition of greater than or. Okay, that's how simply is the formulation of null hypothesis from example number 1 or SOP number 1. For the statement of the problem number 2, is there a significant difference between the performance of the students in the achievement test in mathematics and science? HO, null hypothesis, there is no significant difference between the performance of the students in the achievement test in mathematics and science. So what happened? The is in the statement of the problem was deleted. Then it's transferred to an it's written after there. Then A was replaced by no. And the question mark in the statement of the problem was replaced by period. Take look also on is open number 3. Is there a significant relationship between the performance of the grade 10 learners in English and Mathematics 1? The same, the is in the statement of the problem was transferred after there and A was replaced by no, then the question mark was replaced by a period. So that's how you will formulate the null hypothesis. I have also another example. This example is relating the profile of the participants or the subject variable, which is actually performance. The statement of the problem is read as: is there a significant difference in the level of performance of the students in achievement test in mathematics when grouped according to family income and religion? The same procedure. Just drop or transfer the is to the after there, then replace A with no, and the question mark was replaced by a period. So that's how you will formulate the null hypothesis for this specific question. Let's proceed to the alternative hypothesis. Statement. This is a statement of inequality, difference, or a statement in positive form. Is OP number 1, is there is the mean score of the students in the achievement test in mathematics 1 not equal to 45? Hypothesis number 1, this is already alternative. The mean score of the students in the achievement test in mathematics 1 is not equal to 45. So it's inequality. Then we have the mean score of the students in the achievement test in mathematics 1 is greater than 45. Then the mean score of the students in the achievement in mathematics 1 is less than 45. So these are the hypotheses, alternative hypothesis for this particular specific question. For specific question number, uh, by the way, this is opposite to the examples in the alternative, in the null hypothesis. Second specific problem or a specific question. Is there a significant difference between the performance of the students in the achievement test in mathematics and science? There is a significant difference between the level of performance of the students in the achievement test in mathematics and science. Then is open number 3. Is there a significant relationship between the performance of the grade 10 learners in English and mathematics? Then hypothesis, there is a significant relationship between the performance of the grade 10 learners in English and mathematics. Now, in this example, the is transferred in between there and article A. So it's transferred. And the question mark at the end of the statement in specific question number 2 was changed to period. Similar is true to is open number 3 and the hypothesis from this statement of the problem. Please take note that when writing a hypothesis in your research proposal or thesis, it's the null hypothesis which is reflected because you would like to discredit or disprove the null hypothesis. Okay, so I hope you will be guided with these examples. Thank you, and God bless you all.